The 2015 Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup monitor, traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, iPod adapter, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, fog lights, trip computer, heated front seats, brake assist, remote keyless entry, overhead console. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.